All right, great day today. Day 5 of the 5% challenge. Still green. Okay, managed pretty decent today. Nothing crazy, but solid 7%. Okay, that's all we need. Hopefully, we can have a successful day tomorrow. Now, this setup here, complete bogus, right? It's like whatever. It kind of reminds me of this setup here. Okay, same thing on the 4 hour. When we had that top, we had this big sell off. Still hanging on here. Got a bounce, but it was more of a rotation today. The main difference here is 48% on the VIX 1D today. Okay, we filled all the gaps. We're here now. Okay, and from here you can catch nice trades both ways, but we're right in the middle of the range here. So for tomorrow, I'm just pointing this out. This is your biggest gamma pool. So I would think that is the 690 2.36 ghost candle we have, and you got a lot happening tomorrow. Not only do you have NFP, you got building permits, unemployment, and supposedly, this is pre-market, supposedly, and we got Michigan, supposedly in here sometime right around here, there is a rumor of this Supreme Court ruling. So again, that's where we closed yesterday. Closed unchanged, bounced at the FOMC line, couldn't take out highs, still have this as a target, but the setup here is pretty complex and I don't want anybody getting screwed tomorrow. So goes without saying that if we go and tag that ghost early, sell all your shit. If there's some crazy news tomorrow, to the upside, it can get there. To the downside, it can get there. If it starts ripping or unraveling, have some small, cheap starters here. And that's it. And then obviously if we start going down to here, we're not going back up here, and there's still plenty to play for. The interesting part though is that the Namo is even Steven in the middle. It can go down from here, it can also go higher up from here. Okay, so it is not telling us anything besides that we are right in the middle of the range. Okay, we're right in the middle of the range, and as far as Mr. Fractal, he does not know obviously beforehand what the tariff news is gonna say, but there is a possibility of a big sell tomorrow. He also says that you might want, if that happens, you might want to wait for a gap down on Monday that you buy in the money for next week. So very interesting times. Still showing a high there. Other models I'm looking at has that as a high as well for quite some time actually, and then we'll see. I mean, again, to refresh everybody's memory, we're talking about that here somewhere. We could have had that high in already, and this is a lower high. A lot depends on tomorrow. The VIX 1D has room now. Obviously, if we start going here on it, that's gonna mark a major bottom. So be a 90-95% cash. As far as individuals right now, I'm not really concerning myself too much with anything. Again, today bought lows on Meta, and after a $10 run, scaled some, right? not playing Nvidia right now. Maybe if something moves, I'll jump on it and all of that. Was in Tesla, still in Baba. That was a pretty unexplained major $10 move almost today. So, you know, I mean, SPY, both sides, more upside. We're still range bound here. I still think we get a big sell. If we go out of the gate higher, let's say we're here at open, if we can't get any higher, I'm gonna start shorting, and then we're gonna see what, you know, extreme position for the tariff candle and wait on it pretty much. So with that said, guys, I will see you tomorrow.